So here's the art of beating time, at laughing at its attempts to make us feel small, and staring into the eyes of distance, that minion of time. Today, I will not be kept from the things that bring me life. I will go great lengths and make great strides, master the hours and touch new skies. I will not be disconnected from the things that matter most, like adventures with friends or bringing family close. Because the art of beating time really comes down to this, making memories that are held in our small forevers, the joy of the journey, and what it connects us to.